Hey everyone, it's Dylan from the Black Forest Wood Company. We're back again for another week here in the shop. So this week, again, we posted something on our Instagram and TikTok that just went crazy. It is this whiskey bottle casting. So we had a client reach out to us. She wanted a bottle of Jack Daniel's cast in whiskey, and then we actually made a custom kind of storage box for it. So we're gonna show you that whole process. We'll show you how it turned out. And then we also did a Truly for another client. So that's super exciting. Then we've got a Christmas delivery. It was literally like 2 days before Christmas. We got this table in our client's house. So she was super grateful, turned out awesome. It just really could not have went any better. We've also got a fitness challenge that we're doing between some of our staff. So Joe and Jesse made a bet with each other. There's money on the line. I'm not gonna say what it is, but if you guys watch to the end of the video, you'll be able to see their bet. Another thing I wanted to say, we've got a whole bunch of new subscribers recently, so thank you guys and welcome to the channel. But we also noticed that like over 70% of people who watch our videos actually are not subscribed. So you guys can see the graph right there. So if you can, subscribe right now. It really, really helps us out. And then if you can leave a like too before the video starts, we'd really appreciate it. So what kind of started all these bottle castings for us was we actually did one for the Nelk Boys, just completely on a whim. We did a bottle of Corona. And then Trevor Wallace, he's sort of like an Instagrammer and a TikTok. He posts all these kind of funny videos. He's a comedian. He reached out to us and he wanted one done. So we did a White Claw for him. We sent it to him. And then he actually put it on his story. So in the next clip here, you guys are going to get to see Trevor's White Claw.
It's kind of just a Claw Type Tuesday. Look at this. These dudes sent me a custom plexiglass claw that will never be opened until I'm drunk at 3 a.m. and go, what the is that? Hell yeah, thanks so much.
All right, so we are casting some more drinks here. We've got, these are 2 commissions that we're gonna be doing for clients for Christmas. So we've got a Jack Daniel's bottle in there. Joe, do the honors.
Oh, first try, got the right one.
Nice.
Let's get it. And a strawberry lemonade, Truly hard seltzer. Let's get it.
Let's go. Okay, first try.
Just drop it.
Just
from
drop
the top.
it? Yeah. If you miss the center, you know this is ruined, right? You guys also, you're going to need a really high-tech cooling device like this. It's a very fancy fridge we've got here.
They're hard to get.
Yeah, very hard to come across. These will probably sit in here for the first couple of days, but they'll probably come out before the end of the week, so we'll update you guys then. See from the thumbnail,
Black Forest ceramics, and we're applying it with these little blue pads and our little squishy pad.
We're in the mountains, delivering our client's dining table right before Christmas here. See how it goes.
Wow, you chose a beautiful piece for me. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Jody.
It's gorgeous. I'm so excited. Now I can hardly wait to have people in.
Yes.
When can I do that?
Yeah, whenever that can happen.
I have a table to show off that I can't show off.
Yeah. This was salvaged out of California.
Okay.
This piece of wood. Yeah.
And it's that, what did you call it? That
Bastone walnut.
Bastone walnut.
Yeah.
It's actually quite a rare hybrid of the walnut down there.
Yeah.
So there aren't too many of them?
No, it's kind of interesting how this tree species came to be. So there's English walnut and Clara walnut that humans graft purposely to grow walnuts.
Right.
And then the spores of that man-made tree create this Bastone walnut.
I see.
So,
Its own unique characteristics.
yeah, it grows naturally, but not without human intervention first.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Because I'm fatter than Joe is right now. Is it whoever loses the most pounds?
Yep.
It's not
Yep.
percentage, it's pounds.
Okay.
And we
Okay.
need to get a scale at the shop.
Yeah.
Gotta bring in a scale.
An agreed upon scale.
Okay.
Yep.
$300.
$300. January 1st for 2 months.
Boom.
Yes, we've just arranged a Black Forest fitness challenge.
Ooh, the
Yes,
fitness
BF
challenge.
Fitness. We're gonna see who can lose more poundage, Jesse or Joe.
See this?
That's gonna go.
That's gonna go.
Gone.
Gone. It's not even there. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably take my brother's workout routine. Start doing that.
Good try. I'm gonna start.
Because he's lost a lot of weight.
Yeah. What about you, Jesse? What's your plan of attack going into this?
Pickled eggs and chicken.
That's the formula,
That's the formula.
Okay. Yeah. All right, so we are starting what I think is our fourth table from this tree. It's Bastone walnut. The few that we've done before were all casts, whereas this client's actually going with a river. So we split the slab down the middle, cut that center little waste chunk out, trimmed it to length, and there's kind of our river layout. All right, so we're doing our dark smoky gray here, and then we have our boring buckets available. So they've got our logo on them, and then they've also got measurements up the side to kind of help you guys measure out how much epoxy that you need. And a lot of you guys made the suggestion to get white or clear buckets, which we did, and it has made it way easier to actually see what color we're doing.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Sorry, Mom, can't talk.
Bell, bell, jingle.
Make sure to check out Joe on Spotify.
New hit single.
Jingle, jingle. Yeah, he dyed his hair for his album cover. Tekashi 6ix9ine, Jingle Jangle.
Dang, look at that calculation. Dang, Spencer.
All right, so we just got here to pick up some of our wood from kiln drying. This is from the first time that we went to see Jerry, so I don't even remember what's here, but we'll come check it out. Actually, I gotta go say hi to the dog. The energy on this is like,
Somebody, your friends.
yeah.
Attention.
See you later, big dog. See you later, big dog. Haley's scared of you now because you attacked her. You attacked Haley and she's scared of you.
So what you guys just saw was us picking up our wood from our first trip out to Jerry's. That was in the summer. So a lot of the wood we got from him was still wet, full of moisture, so we just leave it in the kiln. I think it was like 6 months it went through there. And then it's all ready to work with. So we're finally now ready to start making some stuff with this wood from Jerry. There's this one 8-inch thick piece that I want to do in a single pour. Don't even know if it would work, but we do want to try it. And the dog that they had there was super cute too. He was very nice. I know it's not Charlie, but he was very cute as well. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't think it's going to be our last video of the year. We're going to try and get a few more out, but definitely the last one before Christmas. So happy holidays to all you guys. This was an amazing year for us on YouTube. You know, we super pleased and just humbled by all of your support, especially on the last video. You guys just left so many kind comments, and we do read every single comment. Haley and I go through all of them. So yeah, just basically thank you guys, and we'll see you next week.